Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you some Windows problem are so stubborn that normal setting, troubleshooting tools and even restart does not fix them. In this video I will show you 3 advanced Windows fixes that can only be solved using the registry editor. This is an advanced guide, so follow each step very carefully. Before touching the registry edit guys, always create a backup. To create your registry backup, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, type REGEDIT and then hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, save the backup somewhere, click on file, click on export. Okay, select your file location and save it. If anything goes wrong, you can restore this backup anytime. Okay, after doing this guys, let's begin the video. First problem is this guys, Windows sometimes refuse to copy, move or rename file because the file path is too long. Okay, at that time you can follow this method. Open registry edit and first need to extend H key local machine and then extend system. In the system you need to extend current control set. Okay, like this. Now you need to extend only control and in the control you need to find out file system. File system is here, select it. In the right panel you need to find out long path enabled. In case if it does not exist, you need to create a DWORD 32-bit value. To create this guys, right click on your file system folder, click on new and from here you need to select DWORD 32-bit value and then you need to create this file path. Same you need to create long path enable, just need to create this. Okay, and here you need to set the value data 1. Okay, if the value data is 0, you need to set this and then click on OK. That's it. Now you can close the registry edit. This remove the 260 character file path limit and your problem of copy paste or renaming file is now completely solved. Now move to the problem number 2. Sometime you try to open or modify a file but Windows show access denies. At that time guys, you can try this method. In the registry edit, now you need to extend same H key local machine. You need to extend now software. Okay, like this. You need to follow every method, every process very carefully. In the software you need to extend Microsoft. Microsoft is here, extend it and scroll down and find out Windows. In the Windows you need to find out current version. Current version is here, extend this and in this you need to extend policies folder. Policy folder is here, extend this. In this folder you need to find out system. Okay, select it and in the right panel you need to find out enable LUA and double click on it and here you need to set the value data 0 and then close this and restart your Windows. So this setting will temporarily disable user account control, so you can also re-enable later by setting it back to 1. Now move to the problem number 3. So when you right click on anything on file, folder or in menu, so if the right click menu is working very slow or in the right click some option is missing, you can try this method. In the registry edit, go to the top and here you need to extend H key current user and then you need to extend software. In the software you need to extend classes and then you need to find out CLSID. This folder you need to find out. Scroll down and find out CLSID. In case the CLSID is not showing, you need to create this CLSID folder by right clicking on empty space and then you need to follow this on screen process. So just create a new key and then inside it create another key, name this and then in the right panel you need to leave the default value blank and restart your Windows Explorer. After doing this guys, to restart your Windows Explorer, right click on your taskbar in an empty space, open the task manager and then find out the Windows Explorer, right click on it and then restart it. That's it. All classic right click menu is now restored on your PC. In case you need to get back your previous classic menu, time just need to delete your all files and folder which you have created in the registry edit. That's it. Okay, also remember some common mistake to avoid. Don't delete random registry keys, don't use registry cleaner blindly, always backup before editing your registry edit. Registry is powerful but dangerous if misused. That's why I need to follow this carefully. If you are facing any Windows issue that normal fixes don't solve, this registry editor tweak can be life-saving when you use it correctly. If this advanced Windows guide help you, like the video, subscribe to TECHiFY, comment which Windows issue you want to fix next.